Hello everyone. I have here a model that I've been making, or started to make the other night. This is a representation of the Carpenters chest, which I purchased on eBay. The reason I'm making this is simply that I'm planning to make some compartments and possibly a lift out tray for inside this area, and just to help me plan that out or to design what I want for the chest or what I need the chest to do, I've drawn a simple model of it. Okay, what can I say? It's a box, right? It's not finished. I'm going to put in the hinges. I'm going to put in the hasps on the front. I'm going to model the handle on the front here also. There's a couple of pieces of wood missing. There's a reinforcing strap along here and another one under here, which the hinges make use of. Speaking about the hinges, I had a bit of fun modelling this the other night. I'd never actually tried to. It's surprising how we take for granted the simple little things in life. A hinge. Who ever thought about a hinge? Nobody. You just take them for granted, don't you? Try modelling one, right? It's not difficult, but there's a lot more to it than you might think. And I'm looking right now for the protractor. Is that there? Yeah, that's her. No, oh wait. Okay, hold on then. How did I do this the other night? Rotate till that was it. Oh, that's not good. Okay. Just having a little bit of trouble here now, folks. It's got to be rotated around the centre of this hole, I believe. So I've got the item selected that I wish. I want it on that axis. I'm wanting it in on the mid, but there's midpoints all over the place here. Why is that? What I'll do first is I'll draw a line. Excuse me, I'm still sniffling with a cold here. Okay, that'll be the midpoint there. Alright. Pardon the silences, but my throat is really not up to this today. There we go. So we'll do it like that. Right, so here we have the hinge. Yeah, what we do is a hinge. I've shifted it slightly there in opening it, but never mind. I had a lot of fun in modelling that actually. It's there's more to it than you might imagine. A nice little exercise. The bit I found the most, well, not difficult, but time consuming was the hasp here. You've got a lot of, not intricate parts, but they're somewhat involved. You've got the countersinks for the screws. You'll get it all measured out, of course. Everyone's got to be accurate. So anyway, there. The hinge, right, a hinge in a box, okay. You're doing great. Everything is awesome. Right. So, that's just a short update on, or introduction into this a little project I've started, another project which I will struggle to finish, but never mind. I think I'm going to have a lift out tray, maybe a compartment here at the back, and then some partitions at the bottom. If I have partitions, so this is what I've done this for, so I can sort of plan it out and see if it's going to work or not. That's something else I need to look at, is how to, each of these parts is, I've made a component of them. You've got the side tier, the front, the side trim, the front trim, the right hand side trim, and the actual lid top. Each of them are separate components. Now, in some instances, I would like to maybe join them into one assembly. And I don't know if that function's available within SketchUp. What I'm wanting to do right now is rotate it down into the close position. So I've had to select each of them individually, you'll have noticed, before closing the lid. Something's moved. Now the problem with that is, when I've got the hinges fitted, I'm only wanting one part of the hinge to move and the other to stay in position, So I'm wanting to be able to set up an instance where I can just click on the lid and rotate it, and everything that's connected to that lid within the assembly that I define will move with it. So I don't know if that's a function within SketchUp, or maybe there's a plugin for it. I'd hope there'd be something. It's not like I'm asking for much there. Or maybe coding's not my strong point. So that's a bit all for now, folks. I've yabbered on for about 10 minutes already. Let's see what our file size is. Yeah, 125 megabytes, you can see. Right then, folks, hope you found that interesting. Bye for now.